Such a good kitty. Where you going, little cat? Hey, big girl. What you doing? Good. Give Daddy a little. Whoa. Wow, little cat. That's impressive. Look at you. You coming back over? Come on. Come on. Come on, Lyddy. That's it. Come on, big girl. What a good kitty you are. Such a good kitty. Whoops. Daddy wants to play his guitar. How's he going to play the guitar when you're... I know. Such a good girl. Come on, let's go. Let's go over here. Come on. What are we doing? You are insane, Lyddy cat. You're insane. Oh, you want the fan. You want Daddy to get the fan? Okay, here we go. Ready? Come on. Spin it. Right? Hold on. I gotta put my guitar down, Lyddy cat. What the heck? Let's get your little friend. How am I gonna take my guitar off? Okay, let's get your little friend. Stand still. Stand still. Oh, look at there. Oh, yes. Wait. Ow. Wait. Okay. Oh, looky there. Can you get it? It's a little bit on the inside. Wait. Ready? Okay, now you can get it. Gotta get it, Lyddy. Let it slow down. Let it slow down. Wait. Ready? Here it comes. Get it. Oh, nice one, Lyddy cat. Good girl. Good job, Lyddy cat. You're a killer kitty, aren't you? You're a killer kitty, huh? It's gone, Lyddy. You already got it. She already got it, people. Lyddy, say goodbye. Lyddy, say goodbye. Lyddy. Good girl.